Hey boys and girls, what is up? It's me, Francesca, and I'm here for Art Hour. Today we are going to make some art out of nature once again. I know that we've done that before and I thought it'd be kind of cool to do it again. So what I created was these cute little critters out of leaves and twigs. So these are the three little critters I created. This is one of them. Another one. And then this one's my favorite. I think it's really extra cute. Okay, so what you are going to need for this project to make your little critter is a nice piece of paper. If you could get some nice cardstock, that would be awesome. Something nice, you know, stocky. If you can't use cardstock, if you don't have any, regular paper is good. Or how about some cardboard? If you could find some cardboard around the house, that would be great. Then you're going to need a leaf. This one's a little wet because I had to go outside and get it today, and it's okay, I can still use it. And then also you're going to need is some glue, good amount of glue, some twigs. And so what I did is I cut up my little twigs to make two little arms, twiggy arms, and two little twiggy legs. Okay, and then I got these cute little googly eyes. I'm at the Phoenicia Library, so I have access to stuff like this. If you don't have little googly eyes at home, you can make them out of paper. So that's an option. And then last but least, I got some glitter because I got access to a lot of glitter here and I wanted to use some. Always fun. So what we're going to do is, usually what I would do is I would put the glue on the back of the leaf, but this one's it's a little damp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to put it on my paper where I'm going to put my leaf. Okay, so I've done that. I'm going to take my leaf and I'm going to put it down on the glue. Just like that. And then I'm going to attach my little twiggy arms. So the first arm I'm going to take and put it right in the glue. And I'm going to put it on the body of, like the leaf. The leaf is the body of your little critter. So I'm going to put it up where you would put your arms on your critter. And I'm going to do the second one, the other arm. Just like that. Looks like antennas right now, but they're supposed to be arms. Okay, so now next I am going to do the legs. So I got two little twigs again for the legs, and all I'm going to do is dip it in the glue and put it at the bottom of the leaf for its legs. Second one, right at the bottom, just like that. And then I get to do my little googly eyes, and I'm going to take a good amount of glue and I'm going to put it on the back of my googly eyes, and I'm going to put it up at the top of the leaf where the head would be. And my second little googly eye right at the top. I have to be really gentle with this because it's wet, so it's hard to show you guys. I hope nothing falls off, but here we go. Okay, and then last but least, I am going to take my glitter and I'm going to put it everywhere you see the white glue on your creation, your little critter creation. And sprinkle it on there. Okay. Just like that. Oh, some glitter fell off. Okay, but it's gonna dry and it's gonna look really cute. I like him. He kind of looks like an insect more than the other critters, more so. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great time with this. So go on outside, collect as many leaves as you like. I mean, why not do like 4 critters? It's a lot of fun. And don't forget the little twigs. And have a great time with it. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.